Hi guys! Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Loulaa. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some techniques to manifest your dream life. If you're new to my channel or you've just never heard of the law of attraction before, there'll be a little eye in one of the two corners. If you click on it, there will be two videos linked. One which is on the basics of the law of attraction. Okay, so the law of attraction is the idea that what you think you attract. And the other will be on my biggest success story. Holy shit, man. It just confirmed my beliefs so much. So if you guys want to check those two out and then come back to this video, it might help you understand a little bit better. So just very quickly before we dive into the techniques, I really want to express to you guys how important these two little things are. The first thing is gratitude. And the second thing is not obsessing on how things that you want come to you. To be honest, I've personally manifested things before when I've not been on a good vibe. I've manifested like little thoughts, good or bad. But to really manifest your big dream goals, like just something that feels like it's a really big deal to you, you're gonna have to be on a really high vibration and really feel those feelings of gratitude every single day. Let's just begin the techniques, which I really think will help you guys. So the first technique I want to talk about I call voicing. You may just know it as speaking things into existence. So the idea with voicing is that you're doing that ask step where you ask out loud what you want and then you set an intention for getting it. So for example, if I wanted to get a brand new sweater, I would maybe say out loud, hey, please send me a new sweater. And then you'd set the intention like, oh my god, I'm so happy that my new pastel blue jumper is coming. I'm so excited. It's so pretty and it's going to keep me warm and snug during the winter. You can either do this by literally just saying it out loud to yourself, or if you're religious, you could pray to your god or gods. It usually works best if you're on a really high vibration when you're speaking it out loud, or you just like feel super connected and like in a spiritual mood. I don't know how to explain that, but if you can get into that mood and then ask out loud for what you want and then set the intention, that's gonna bring it to you so much faster. And if that's not really your vibe, then if you can just get into a super happy and grateful mood, like you know when you're like driving with really loud music and the sun's like blaring, that's a good time to manifest. So dear universe, please send me a new sweater. Thank you. I am so happy to be receiving my new pastel blue sweater. I'm so excited. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's going to keep me so warm during the winter. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The next technique is called dreamboarding. So this is a really fun one and I'm absolutely obsessed with doing this. I love it. It's really fun because it's literally like choosing exactly what experiences or material items you want from the catalogue of a life. You can either do this by printing out pictures of experiences or material items that you want, or you can do what I do, which is use Pinterest and pin up like pictures. Some people will title their boards "My Future House" and then will put in images of exactly what they want their house to look like. The more specific you are, the better. If you've watched The Secret, there's this guy who actually printed out pictures of this house and he put it in a box away for years and years. Years later, he opened the box whilst he was talking to his son about the law of attraction and he burst into tears because the picture of the house that he'd printed out years ago turned out to be the house that he was living in right now, and he just completely forgot that he'd done that. So everyone's different with the dream board. You can either look at the images every day to keep them fresh in your brain and to trick your brain into thinking that they're already in your life, or you can only like pin the pictures or print the pictures out once and then never look at them again, because that helps you let go of what it is that you want. I can't figure out what is best for me, to be quite honest. I just look at them occasionally when I'm in a really good mood and a really high vibration. The next technique is called the 5x55. So this is a totally new technique. I'm pretty sure it is anyway. It's only come into my awareness recently. This confuses a lot of people, but it's actually pretty straightforward. So what you do is you set an affirmation. So an affirmation is like something that you want, but you write it down or say it as if it's what is in the present. So for example, if you want to become a more confident, healthy person, then you'd write down, I am confident and really healthy, or whatever. So with the 5x55, what you do is you write down these affirmations for 5 days straight. and you write them on each day 55 times. So you write your affirmation 55 times for 5 days. 55 times per day. You could be like, I'm a famous TV actress, which is the example we always use. I swear I'm gonna manifest becoming an actress and I don't think I want it. Last but not least, my favourite method, which is called scripting. It's actually really fun. I don't know how to explain this. So you basically write a diary entry about what experience you want, but as if it's happened already in the past. For example, when I was manifesting going to Disneyland Paris, which I did actually do, I wrote things down like, dear universe, thank you so much for this experience in Disneyland Paris. I've literally had the best time ever. I cried so much at the fireworks. I love spending all this time with Jenny. It was amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can get really carried away with this and like really write out your dream life and manifest what you want. You can get really into the specifics. It's so much fun. Once you start writing, you get really carried away into the exact details of what it is you want. So yeah, that is everything, guys. That is all the techniques that I like. I'm not going to talk about other techniques that I'm not comfortable with or 100% confident with, because I don't want to give you guys any false information. I only want to tell you guys things from my own experience and things that I feel like I'm quite knowledgeable on. So yeah, try out these methods, see what works for you, see what doesn't. A lot of the time it really is just the law of attraction is just a mindset. It's very straightforward, but it's also very complicated, but only because there's so many different techniques and methods and things to keep in mind, like gratitude and not obsessing. Once you've manifested your first thing though, it kind of like snowballs and it gets easier. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe for more law of attraction videos and other types of content. And if you've manifested anything amazing consciously, then please leave a comment in the comment section so we can all read it and feel inspired. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the future with another video. Peace, love, namaste, bye.